Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and today I'm sharing a walkthrough of a Christmas mini album that I made. And I also made this cute little box for it. Is it not so cute? And that way you can store it like so that you see this part of the box. So the dimensional decoratives are like up here, and then you won't mess up the sides of the box. But this you can give just like this. Just put like one ribbon around it and give it like that. So the lid comes off and it's decorated inside as well. So let me stick this off to the side while we do the walkthrough. And then you see the beautiful spine of this chunky little mini album. And the inside of the box is decorated as well. Okay, so we'll put that off to the side there so we can see. And we've got 6 beautiful pages here. Look at that. I love the way this looks. This is the, all this paper, including the cover, is actually from the Craft a Clock collection Christmas time. And the paper collection is available at the Sandpaper Road shop if you're interested. But look at that. I love the seamless look of the cover because it's that special cover paper. So I don't have a tutorial for the album itself. This is just a walkthrough video so you can see what it looks like. And just love this cover. When you open it up like this, you've got 2 pockets here. You can put photos. I tried to label where the photos could go. Of course, you can always just tuck a photo. Oops. You can always just tuck a photo wherever you want. There's lots of little tuck spots and things in there. And then this best wishes. This opens up. And this is actually I'll show you here, a belly band where you can slide things in like that. So you could put more photos in just, like that. Or even one here, There's lots of things that a Christmas album, like maybe you want to include in a Christmas album, maybe even cards or tags from gifts, little notes, things like that. Gift cards that come with cards, just whatever. So I like to include tuck spots and belly bands in there. Nice, thick, chunky pages. And there we go. I was caught there for a second. This flap opens up, again, leaving room for a 4x4 photo. Let's get this out of the way. Beautiful moments. And this opens up for another 4x4 photo. And look at the little heart cookie. Beautiful paper. I love it. There's magnet closures there. I love the cardinals. Next page, there's a little nutcracker. And this flap opens up, magical time, with another 4x4 photo. Here's a little pocket. And this is a little, kind of like a folio fold book thing that opens up. Just cute for more photos there that you can put in. And this would be a great little album if you're not getting it, like if you're not keeping it yourself, if you're giving it as a gift. How cute would this be to put the photos already in it and give it as a gift that way? This on the next page, here's a plain photo, and then this, when you pull this tab, it flips over 3 4x4 photos that way that you can add. Cute little feature. This opens up, another flap, holly jolly 4x4 photo here. This little gingerbread guy, and this opens up this way to reveal another photo here. And I really like the interactive nature of the mini album. Then this here. I love these little tickets so much. Just as a cute little decorative element in front of a photo. And of course you can put a photo on both sides. And then here, this opens this way, and you've got tabs to encourage you which ways to open. Of course, you could put notes here, tags, more pictures, little wallet-sized photos with magnet closures there to hold it down. And finally, a little snowman with a little belly band here. And that's a cute little cardinal tag just a nice little embellishment for decoration. And again, more decorations here. I love that. Just love that. You could put photos on one side of these little cut aparts. And that is the mini album. So if you like seeing this kind of stuff, maybe it gives you ideas and inspiration for your own mini album creations. Definitely like and subscribe the video. And it's always encouraging and super encouraging when you share. And this fits right back in here. Check out the description box for more information. And check out sandpaperroad.com for more details on lots of stuff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.